Hi everybody, my name is Adam Meyer. I'm back with another video, and today we're going to go over Bitcoin, we're going to go over regulations, we're going to go over what Elon Musk has said, and we're going to go over price predictions and also all the strength that has come in and the good side to this and what we can expect for the future. So let's get into this here. Alright, I'm going to put these all down below because we're going to go over the news first, so all these articles are going to be listed down below, and we're going to talk about regulations first and why this is a good thing. Going through this, you can then realize the regulations are going to then allow investors to invest more confidently, because right now, if you get into the space, a lot of people are like, all right, is it going to do this? Is the government even going to accept it? Is this just going to go to zero if the government says something bad? So if the government just puts regulations on it, we're all going to be like, okay, they're going to tax us on it, which is fine, but they're not going to ban it itself. Because if they just put some regulations, they want to get their tax, the government wants to get paid. So they can use that as leverage to get more money from taxes as well. We can invest into things as well, because a lot of millionaires have already been made from this asset class, and I believe over time we're going to see it continue to do that. We can see Google now allowing ads. We can see companies now investing into it, and then also going into other things, into like an article like this. Elon Musk, now he's going to accept Bitcoin payments again. As a tweet, he said here that stated that Elon Musk was selling his Bitcoin after pumping it up for Tesla, but he just wanted to prove that 10% of the holdings confirmed of Bitcoin could be liquidated easily without moving the market, so without like manipulation if they were to sell it as a company. And when there's more confidence or confirmation of clean energy being used with mining Bitcoin, they're going to allow Bitcoin transactions again. So he tweeted this on the 13th. This was yesterday. So this is other good news for Tesla and Bitcoin. I just wanted to say, go follow me at A_M_analytics. And this is where I do post some stuff once in a while on cryptos and whatnot, and also my thoughts. And I posted this here the other day, looking for 41,000, so watch out. And then if we go over here, this is exactly what we see. It comes right up to 41,000. I'll get a little bit more into the price here in a minute, but also we can see this area here where price started to accumulate on the Wyckoff schematic, as I was mentioning in the previous video. And this is what happened coming into like this same thing. So there's the spring right here. Here's the last point of supply, which is right there. And then here's where the secondary test came in. So this was pretty clear. I personally was looking for a deeper retracement down within this range here to take this up for higher buys. But this is just what we're seeing, and we might see some consolidation right now within this area before we take off to the moon again, just as we see up in here. And also you can follow me over here on Instagram, AM Analytics, and I posted the same picture here. I will be posting here more frequently. I'll do some updates on new posts and also some day trades that are going on. Going over to price, this is exactly what we see. There's the spring that happened. Here's this pullback down within the zone. We did break structure from this level here, so we're seeing more bullishness come in. Now we can just have our consolidation possibly right here. And now we're just seeing price pull back a little bit. We could consolidate here for a little bit or take off to the moon again. But price predictions would be nice up into like the $48,000 range to see that could be like the good price prediction. If we go here to the daily, we can see the strength come in. It pulled back after breaking the structure, and now we're seeing a lot more buying pressure come in within this area. And then now we can measure from the top to the low from within this trading range, and we might see a retracement up to the 50% or even up into here before we start seeing possible retracements back down. And even then, we might want to see price show more consolidation to then show more higher highs of price hitting up to 80 to 100K by September or into December. And that could be a nice price prediction, or we could just see this react right off here, and then we could start seeing more lows being made to then see our wick down below all of these lows before we start to see buys up into the higher range. And something that I really learned from like trading and mastering the markets, there's something that you want to happen, or what do you see? So what did I want to happen? I really wanted price to come down here to then start showing its accumulation before showing this. But what do I see? I see price making the low, the strength coming in, and then buying up higher. We could start to see price retrace down in this daily area to then take off to the moon. If we go over to the schematic sheet again that I have here, we don't actually pull back all the way down. And that could be the situation that we see here. We could just see some consolidation. And that's why it's a good idea to keep an eye on what price does within this area. And if we see some strength come in and then a pullback down, that would be very, very nice. But it's all just keep an eye on it. If you just want to invest long term, doesn't matter really what price you put money in if you're investing long term, because it can go down, it can go up. We can see what happens. I personally took some money out of ETH here the other day, and the reason being is because it was just selling off, and I was like, all right, I'm gonna lock in some profits here. My average buy-in between my bigger positions, I bought in around 400, 800, and then 1400. I locked in profits right around this level here, and it's okay. I could have locked in a lot more up here, but I didn't. I just really want to see these higher highs being made, and I want to just see the strength come in, possibly get some retracements, then take it higher to get more confirmation for the long term. But this is just my analysis. This is just what I'm seeing. Nobody actually knows what's going to happen. If you're a long-term investor, invest long-term. If you're a trader, invest short-term. But you got to recognize the patterns. So you have to know the patterns that you're looking for, not necessarily what you're wanting to happen. And with that being said, let me know if you have any questions. Join my group chats, follow my social media, and yeah, stay blessed, everybody. Thank you.